What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kai, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be going over the trade that I tried to date, but it ended up being a no trade day for Tuesday, November the 25th. I tried to take a trade on gold, and I also tried to take a trade on SPY, but unfortunately, it ended up being a no trade day on both of them pairs. And I'm here to break it down to you and show you why it was a no trade day. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, so we got an 8 o'clock candle. As you can see right here, on this 8 o'clock candle on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that this candle has broken this recent high. Now, before this candle reached us to this high, I was technically looking for sales. So originally, this is what I have drawn up. When the candle first formed, the candle was more down here. But as you can see, like I said, the candle, it came up and it broke out of my 15-minute supply zone. So unfortunately, that tells me that there's more buyers than it is sellers because it invalidated my zone. So technically, this ended up being a no trade day for gold at 8 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this to 9 o'clock so we can get to SPY. All right, there we go, 9 o'clock. Switch over to SPY. Okay, so what I'm looking at, I'm looking for recent highs or any recent lows has been broken. As I'm looking right now, I see this recent high and I see this recent low. Now, from looking at these two, none of these has been broken. If you see this previous high, even the previous high hasn't been broken, right along with the previous low. None of the lows have been broken, none of the highs have been broken. So what that tells me, support and resistance. So draw my support right here. Draw my resistance. All right. Now, what I normally like to do is, since I base my bias decision on the 15-minute, if I'm doing support and resistance, I stay on the 15-minute. I wait for a candle to either give me a breakout, either on the upward position or downward position. I'm just waiting on a breakout. So if I get a breakout in my support, I'll be looking for sales. Or if I get a breakout in my resistance area, I'll be looking for buys. Okay, as you can see, price has came and broke my support area. So what that means is I'll be looking for sales, because as you can see, this candle right here, that 930 candle, when the stock markets opened up, it broke this previous low. So I'm gonna take this resistance zone area and I'm gonna turn this into a supply. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go down to the 5-minute. All right, mark up this supply right here. Now, normally when I'm live trading, I would have a split screen. But at the moment, I will not be doing a split screen because with TradingView, you can't back test multiple screens at the same time. I don't know why. It's just some type of feature that they have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the 15-minute and I'm going to wait and see if I'm going to get a 15-minute tap to my supply. And I like to do split screens because, like I said, I normally like to have the 5-minute on this side, 15-minute on this side, so I can just be looking at price action. Okay, so as you can see, I did get a tap on the 15-minute back of my 15 supply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the 5-minute. All right. Just to have to double confirm it. Now, what I will be doing next is I'll be drawing my Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom. All right. Now I will go down to the 1 minute. And hopefully I will be, well, around this time I was hoping for Price to do this. This is what I was hoping for Price to do. I wanted Price to come up, give me a tap in my supply, and then come out, hit my TP1, TP2, and then potentially go to maybe a 1 to 5 or 1 to 7. Right. All right, so as you can see right here, it says 10:02. Now, a candle did break out of my area, but unfortunately, I don't trade past 10 o'clock. So this technically wouldn't have been the trade I would have taken. So let me go back to 10 a.m. Okay, so 10 a.m. would have been right here. So right there. So when they got to 10 a.m., all pretty much just done. Now, did this trade play out? I'm pretty sure it did. Let me see, because I didn't go back and look. Nah, because she would have stopped me out. Yeah, she would have stopped me out. So it was a good thing that it was a no trade day. And also a good thing that I don't trade past 10 o'clock. Now why is that? Excuse me. Now why I don't trade past 10 o'clock? Me personally, that's just a preference thing. Honestly, how I look at it is I'm a scalper, as I stated before. I like to get in trades, get out of trades. I don't like to chase no trades. I'd rather for the trade to come to me and present itself. If I gotta sit here and feel like I'm chasing a trade, I would definitely just call it no trade day. Like I said, I'm a scalper. I get in, I get out. And what I mean by getting in, get out, I need for to market to present itself to me. I need a market to come to me. Not me going to the markets. I need the market to come to me. And if the market is not giving me my A1 setup, only thing I'm gonna do is just close my laptop, shut my computer off, go on about my day, and just come back tomorrow, because I'm not finna chase a trade. I refuse to. That was a bad habit of mine in the past that made me very, very unprofitable. But as I got better throughout the months, I started to see that, hey, if I don't be chasing these trades and just let the trade come to me, and if the trade don't present itself, no trade day, trust me, I seen a big difference in my capital. I seen a big difference as far as like saving my drawdown for the next day, and so on and so forth. So that will wrap up today's video. I just want to come and show y'all that I had a no trade day, and these are the reason why I had a no trade day. Because SPY at the time, she came up to my supply, but she never broke out of my 0.5 before 10 o'clock. And with gold, gold just invalidated my 15-minute zone. So hopefully tomorrow, Wednesday is also heavy news. We have CPI. So hopefully I will be able to catch a trade. Hopefully I'll be on the right side of the fence, on the green side, not on the red side. But either way, whichever side I be on, I'm going to document it, and I'm going to share it with the YouTube family. One thing about me, I ain't going to have no wins, and I'm definitely not going to have no losses, because one thing about trading, it do mess with you psychology. It's a lot. But trust me, we all gonna get through it together, long as you don't give up. Now, if you give up, I don't know what to tell you. But me personally, I say don't give up. Just keep trying and trying and trying. I've been doing this for 4 years now, and it's starting to get. And I still have my ups and downs with it. But as I seen that, if I just come to the market the same way all day, every day, I'm be good. And you just gotta also understand that losses is gonna come with it. I understand that some people, when they take a loss, they tend to shy away from trading because they would rather see more green days than red days. But you know what? It's enough of that. I'm gonna talk more in depth with that in my next video. But just for today's video, I just want to give y'all a recap of what happened today on Tuesday, November the 25th, 2025, due to me not being able to take a trade. And that's it. Your boy's out. Peace.